Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Canva template sizes using the secret resize option. If you've ever wanted to adjust your design dimensions but weren't sure how, you're in the right place. First things first, this feature is available only in Canva Pro. If you're on the free version, you'll need to upgrade to access it. Once you're in your design, look up at the top menu bar. You'll see a button labeled Resize. Go ahead and click it, and this will open up resizing options. Canva will suggest commonly used sizes for social media posts, presentations, and print formats. If one of these matches your needs, just select it and you're good to go. But sometimes you'll want a custom dimension. For that, click Custom Size right next to the suggestions. Here, you can type in your exact width and height. You can also choose a unit that makes sense for your project. Pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. Just pick what works best for you. Now it's time for the magic. Click Resize this design and watch Canva instantly reshape your template to the new size. It only takes a second. Let's do a quick recap. Step 1. Make sure you're on Canva Pro. Step 2. Open your design and click Resize. Step 3. Either select a suggested format or enter a custom size. And finally, hit Resize this design to apply the changes. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can resize any Canva template perfectly to fit your needs. Play around with different dimensions and see what works best for your projects. Thanks for watching and happy designing.